Luang Prabang. Prabang, however you say it. We are here, baby. And today we are going to the falls. And I actually think the name of the falls is something like Keagan Falls. Something like that. I can never pronounce these names. But right now I'm on the hunt for a motorbike. Some guy told me that if I just walk down the street, I'll run into a place that rents them. I tried to rent it from my hotel because they have 4 there, but the guy's not there, and we called the guy, and supposedly the guy said that another foreigner that's staying at the hotel got all fucked up last night and drunk and lost his motorbike, and now we can't even find it. So they're on the hunt for the motorbike today, and I guess the police and everybody got involved. So yeah, if you're a tourist, don't rent a damn bike, you know? Oh shit, I think I found it right here. Don't rent a bike and get drunk, you know? That's crazy. Finding a motorbike is becoming a chore. Jesus Christ. But at least I have this beautiful view as I'm walking to my 4th motorbike place. Wow, let's hope they can let me rent one this time around. I feel like I've been walking all over town. Hopefully they give me a good price too, because half the day is already over with. So if you ask me, I don't think we should be charged full price for a half day. So that last place I went to was ridiculous. My hotel charges 70,000 kip for 1 day. And this place, for pretty much the same bike, went for 170,000 kip. Yeah, it's insane. And now I'm literally just walking around because I saw a motorbike rental place, and I'm like, oh okay, I think I'll just come down here. Sabadi. Hey, where's the motorbike rental place to rent? It's over here?
Go. Go.
Oh, I don't know. This honestly looks like a right here. She's telling me that a motorbike rental place is over here. Ah, down here? Oh, okay. So we'll see if this place is any better, man. All I want is just one bike. That's it. And for a decent price too. Yeah, how much? 80? 80 for 24 hour?
Yes.
Which one? This one. Nice and orange. 80? Oh, I have to go back to my hotel to get it. Okay. All right, I'll come back for this one. Okay, found a motorbike place. A place that didn't even really rip me off. They charged 80,000 kip versus 170,000 like that other place. Hang on, I need to put my glasses up. So yeah, but like an idiot, I forgot to bring my passport. And if you guys don't know this, every time you rent a motorbike, at least here in Asia, you're always supposed to surrender your passport until you bring the motorbike back. So always keep that in mind. Stupid idiot, man. I was thinking that too, like I knew I was gonna go rent a motorbike, but yet I still didn't bring my passport because I just wasn't thinking. Oh my God, what a bone homer. Here it is, the orange Power Ranger. Actually, do they even have an orange Power Ranger? I finally found gas, dude. That's one thing that sucks is, I swear to God, everybody where you rent a motorbike from, they always give you an empty tank, always. And I don't even think we're gonna make it to the falls right now, man. It's a little too late. Yeah, it's 2 o'clock right now and they close at 5 and it takes like an hour to get there. So yeah, that really sucks. All right, we have a full tank, finally. The thing right here was sitting there blinking on E the entire time I was riding around. So, oh, what is this shit? Oh, this is like a one-way deal. I have no idea where to go at all. Fuck it, dude. We're just gonna go cruise. I got the power plant up there. Nice. Oh, there's a car coming. Go ahead, buddy. And unlike Vietnam, these people don't really use their horns. You hardly hear anyone go beep, beep, any of that. Maybe they have a waterfall nearby. Something cool. Yeah, little stands. Oh my God, I could definitely go for a freaking for a little something. Hello, Sabadi. They don't have anything cold. It looks like they don't have that much of a selection, which I guess you could say I'm being a picky ass foreigner. But hey, man, I like what I like. Sabadi. Okay, we found a place. We're gonna get a drink. Ah, over here. What do we want? Let's try one of these. This is like the energy drink of choice here. How much? 7,000? Okay, 7,000 it is. One, no bag. No bag, thank you. One. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, hey, nice English. You dance? You like? There you go. I know dance. Me no good. Me very bad. Yes. That's funny. I gotta practice my moves. Okay. Bye bye. See you guys. You say dance. Okay. Oh, what do you think about that? I don't know who that little lady was, but she was tiny. I couldn't tell if she was freaking 20 or 50. Riding in the hills of Luang Prabang. I've been riding far enough that this probably isn't what that town is called anymore. But yes, as I said, we are in the mountains of Laos. And look at this little hut I found, kind of situated right there on the little creek that runs behind that. And This right here, like always, is a spontaneous adventure. I did not plan to make this trip. I planned on going to a river, but before I could go to the river, I mean, I woke up late, then I had to walk around town and find a motorbike place, and more specifically, a motorbike place I wasn't trying to rip me off. Hey, Sabadi! It's so funny, people are they're not as friendly here as they are in, let's say, the Philippines. When you say like Sabadi, which means hello, a lot of people look at you like kind of crazy a little bit, which is hilarious. Yeah, look at her doing her laundry off the side of the road. Oh yeah, we're definitely getting into some rural village parts, that's for sure. And I'm not even equipped to take this ride right now. I'm in shorty ass swim shorts. I have like nothing to prepare me if anything happens. But fuck it, let's go. Yee, 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 yee. We are in luck. I found a waterfall kind of nearby on the map. It's called Tad Sae Waterfall. Totally not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but I gave it my best shot. It says we're 7 minutes away on a motorbike. So let's go check this thing out, man. What do we got here? Surprisingly, believe it or not, I actually have service through here. How crazy is that? Whoa. I love stuff like this, man. This is so freaking cool. What the fuck? It says to the right, and then we're gonna take an immediate left. Oh shit. So I guess this is where we are, right here. Tad Sae Waterfall. So let's go check it out, man. You can ride elephants and shit like that, and I have no idea what the entrance fee is, or dude, I didn't even know this fucking place existed until about 10 minutes ago when I was looking for something to do. I cannot believe I have service out here. That is insane. So on the picture of Tad Sae Falls, they had a picture of an elephant. So maybe this is like an elephant sanctuary or something, or hopefully it's not one of those elephant places where they mistreat them and, you know, everybody rides them and shit and people get all pissed off. Oh my God. Let's see if I can keep it on 2 wheels, unlike the Philippines, where I completely ate shit. Hello, waterfall? Down here? Thank you. Over here? Yeah. Ah, thank you. Do you know?
Oh, okay.
Right here? Just follow that down? Just, okay, thank you. So I guess this way was the right way. And I guess we're supposed to go down this little path right here, which did not look like where I was supposed to go. But now it's starting to look more like it. Hello. How do I get to the falls? Oh, I need this. Put this here. Close this. Okay. What is this?
Ticket parking.
I pay on the way out?
Pay now here.
Oh, pay now? Okay, hang on. I pay now. So, how do I get to the falls?
Waterfall?
Yeah. How do I get there?
Take about 5 minutes.
Oh, how much is boat?
50.
50,000? Oh, okay. Hello. Is that for boat? Boat 30. Right here? We're good. All right, there's my boat guide. So I guess you cannot walk directly to the falls. You have to take this this boat right here. Oh, look at this. You got all the locals with their little fishing stuff right here. I'm guessing that's where they trap fish, you know, for them to eat later on. And yeah, this river is pretty cool. The water is pretty refreshing as well. I'm not sure what kind of creatures they have living in these waters. Piranhas, whatever, I don't know. And I'm just randomly putting my fingers and shit in there. But yeah, this is awesome, man. This was a totally unplanned adventure that turned out to be really cool. I guess I'm on my own. I'll have to follow this path and oh, there's a big ass fucking rock right there. And yeah, see where it ends up. I wonder how far of a hike it is. We'll find out. Ah, perfect. Thank you. Oh wow, this one closes at 5:30. Damn, we cut this one close too. Sabadi. Oh. 15,000? Yep. Okay. Okay, got that. Got the ticket. Got this. Take it easy. See ya. Oh. Okay, so damn, they nick you for every little thing, honestly. You get there, you got to pay 5,000 to park, and then another 30,000 to take a boat 5 minutes down the river, and then after that you got to pay another 15,000 just to get into the river part. Now we're going up the path. We're gonna work our way up this river. It's not what I thought it was gonna be. I like places that I can kind of go to and you know, just chill out, swim. And it looks like there's like no really good swimming spots along here. Actually, maybe this is just the first part of the falls, I don't know. Alright, let's feel the water. Woo! Little nippy. But this is insane. It looks like there's levels to this stuff. Levels upon levels. And I really want to know if you could swim. I mean, there's stairs right here. Oh, swimming area. Oh, perfect. So you can swim right there. So maybe maybe on the way down, if we cannot find another area up there, we'll come back to this spot and we'll start swimming around. So maybe we'll go up and then we'll go off the beaten path like we always do. Chain room. Chain room. What the fuck is a chain room? A changing room, maybe? Oh yeah. Isn't she a beauty? It's quite the awesome little hike. I like it. Let's walk down this way. How beautiful is this place? I mean, it's not like the most breathtaking place ever, but it's pretty fucking dope, dude. Just like little falls just everywhere. You know, Mother Nature carved her path over millions and millions of years to create this shit. God damn it, I keep running into cobwebs. Oh yeah, that's badass. And we made it to the next part, which I'll show you guys here in a second, as soon as I get through some of this shit. Aha, there it is. I'm gonna die. It is so hot, and these mosquitoes. Okay, after a little trek, we actually made it back. Here's the main part of the falls. Like I said, there's a bunch of levels, and we're gonna go for a dip over here. We're gonna go see what all that's about. I think that'd be fun. Actually, maybe we'll come over here, and oh yeah, a little restaurant up there, and we'll get in this part right here. Yeah, that's more like it. We will do a dip, see how it goes. All right, we're gonna get in this bitch right here. I can actually stand up right here, but I fucking slipped, fell on my ass. That was so funny. What do you guys think? It's a bit chilly. That was so funny. So if you ever come right here and you step right there, be careful, that's slippery. Don't mind the barrel. That is a little nippy, but it feels good. Completely tolerable. One thing I don't like is, see how I'm walking in this pool right now? It's awesome, it's fun. But I'm walking on like rocks right now. Like one big rock, so it's kind of like a solid surface all the way around. And then once you get to like the outer edges, you step into this like really clay mud feeling, and I hate it. Oh my god, I hate that like feeling like you're, oh my god. So that was that. That was actually a good little swim. It was actually pretty cold. But now we could say like peace, adios to this. Okay, I think we're about done here. Pretty much did everything you could. But one thing I didn't see was like some of the elephants and everything. I don't know how far up that is or exactly where that is. Elephant bathing, 20 minutes. Tad Sae Waterfall activities. Oh, hello, Sabadi. He's happy camper. Just hop, skip, and a jump away. Perfect. And here we go. He's gonna hop on here. There you go. Oh, oh. Try to make him fall. But yeah, nice calm river. Starting up his boat. See, this is what I picture when I think of Laos. Is, you know, lush green foresty scenery, you know, stuff like this, how you have to take a boat to get to like the natural waterfalls and everything like that. But I kind of want to tell you guys what the price of everything was right now, but I think I'm gonna wait until I get back to the place over here, because I don't know if they're gonna try to charge me again. So maybe maybe on the motorbike ride, I'll kind of pull over and talk to you guys about the price and everything. And we are back. We made it. So what did that cost? Well, from the city of Luang Prabang, or however you pronounce it, I already forgot, I always forget. It was about a 30 to 40 minute ride, and it was 5,000 to park. Sabadi! 5,000 to park, and it was Sabadi 30,000 to take the boat to the actual falls in the river, which is like a 5-minute ride. And then once you get there, you have to pay another 15,000 kip to enter the falls. So add that up. What does that come to? 30, 45, so about 50,000 kip altogether, which isn't too bad. I mean, I think if I remember correctly, that's about $3.50, $3 or $4. Oh wow, I just realized when I first came here, I took a fucking wrong turn over there. Wow, how crazy. So, yeah, about 50K. Sabadi! That means hello in, oh my god, the dust. Oh, it's killing me. Yeah, Sabadi means hello. And I already forgot what thank you means. So yeah, if you're interested in doing this journey on this dirt path right here, follow it all the way down until you see the temple, and there'll be a road that goes down, and follow that road down and you'll see where the motorbike parking is, and you'll know you have arrived.